The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Food and Drug Administration and the Centers for Disease Control. General Mills has announced a voluntary national recall of 5-pound bags of gold medal unbleached all-purpose flour. The recall is being issued for the potential presence of E. coli, which was discovered during a sampling of the product. While General Mills has not yet received any complaints from consumers, this recall is being issued as a safety precaution. There have been no confirmed or authenticated illnesses related to using this product at this time. The specific products that are undergoing this recall are 5-pound bags of gold medal unbleached all-purpose flour that has a better than used by date of September 6, 2020. All other types of gold medal flour, and those sold in other weight measurements, are not affected by this recall. The Food and Drug Administration and the Centers for Disease Control warn that under no circumstances should any products containing flour be eaten raw until the situation is under control. E. coli is killed by heat by means of baking, frying, sautéing, or boiling. All surfaces, hands and utensils, should be properly cleaned after contact with flour or any doughs containing flour. Although most strains of E. coli are considered harmless, other strains have the potential to make you sick. E. coli 026, the strain in consideration, is a potentially deadly bacterium that can cause bloody, liquidy stools and dehydration. Seniors, the young, and persons with compromised immune systems are the most susceptible to foodborne illnesses and should take extra caution. Consumers are asked to check their pantries and dispose of the product affected by this recall. Those who have needed to discard products covered by this recall may contact General Mills Consumer Relations at 800-230-8103 or by visiting www.generalmills.com/flour. Repeating, the Food and Drug Administration and the Centers for Disease Control have announced a voluntary national recall from General Mills of their 5-pound bags of gold medal unbleached all-purpose flour due to the potential of a contamination with E. coli. Products in question have a better than used by date of September 6, 2020 stamped on the package. There have been no confirmed or authenticated illnesses related to using this product at this time. Currently, consumers should refrain from consuming any raw products made with flour. Those who have needed to discard products covered by this recall may contact General Mills Consumer Relations at 800-230-8103 or by visiting www.generalmills.com/flour. This warning remains in effect until further notice.